If you've lost access to your Hopper account and cannot use your phone number for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Hopper login page. Go to the Hopper Apple website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In. Step 2. Select Account Recovery options. Choose the option for Account Recovery. Since you don't have access to your phone number, look for alternative recovery methods such as email or security questions. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Hopper account. Check your inbox for recovery email from Hopper. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the recovery email and follow the instructions provided. This may involve clicking a link to reset your password or answering security questions to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you've verified your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and make sure to save it securely. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Hopper's customer support for further assistance.